American, continental, and Filipino breakfast. Which one would you prefer?
I want to order Filipino breakfast.
Alright, Miss Chloe. For your Filipino breakfast, we have the following. For the main dish, we have tapsilog, tosilog, longsilog, bangsilog, spangsilog, cornsilog, hatsilog, chitsilog. Also, we have arroz caldo, champurrado. Pandesal platter with your choice of spread. For the sides, we have achara, fried or salted eggplant with vinegar, sliced tomato with salt or bagoong, tuyo or dan.
Tapsilog.
Which one would you prefer for your eggplant? Is it fully cooked egg or sunny side up egg?
Sunny side up.
And for your fresh fruit, we have papaya, mango and watermelon, pineapple and banana. What would you prefer?
Mango.
And how about for your juice? We have mango, pineapple juice, watermelon, calamansi, dalandan, buko, cucumber. What do you prefer?
Mango also.
Alright ma'am, would you like to have brewed coffee ma'am?
Yes.
Would you like sugar and creamer on your coffee ma'am?
Just give me sugar.
Alright ma'am, you have already a complete set of Filipino breakfast. Is there anything else?
None. Thank you.
Great choice with the tapsilog, that tender marinated beef, tapa served with garlic rice, and sunny side up egg is a classic. To balance the savory flavor, you're going to love the fresh sliced mango. It's perfectly ripe, sweet, and refreshing. For your drink, we've got a full glass of fresh mango juice, naturally sweet and tropical blended just right. And to round it all out, a cup of brown coffee with a bit of sugar for that bold, strong kick Filipino morning are known for. If you are feeling extra hungry, I'd recommend adding a side of achara, a slice of fried eggplant, or a slice of tomato with salt or bagoong. It goes great with papa.
Okay. I want tomato with salt. Just add it to my order.
May I repeat your order, Miss Flores? Your order is tapsilog, sunny side up egg, mango juice, brewed coffee, and tomato.
Yes, that's all correct.
May I ask how many people would you order?
Good for one person.
I'll take note of that. How would you like to settle your bill? Is it cash, credit card, or charge to your room?
I'll settle it with cash.
Alright ma'am, your order will be served at room 203 after 30 minutes. Please feel free to call the room service if you have any additional order. Thank you for calling and have a nice day.
Good morning, Chef. For room 203, absolute with sunny side up egg, mango for fresh fruit, also mango fruit juice, brewed coffee with sugar tomato, with salt for sides. Thank you, Chef.
your room service order. May we come in?
Yes, good morning. You may come in.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I use your laboratory so I can sanitize my hands? Yes, sure. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present your order now? You ordered Filipino breakfast, which is tapsilog, brewed coffee with sugar, mango for your fresh fruit, and also mango for your fresh fruit juice, and tomato with salt. Is that all correct, ma'am? Yes. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. If you're ready to eat, shall I serve you the food or open up the curtain so you can get it in after your room? No, thank you. Ma'am, may I present your bill now? Yes, please. Is the pen? So, ma'am, I received 500 po. Okay. Can you sign in the receipt na lang po? Thank you so much. Do you have any requests, ma'am?
Lalat po mga thank you. I have something for you. Thank you for your thoughtfulness, ma'am, but we don't accept tips in food. Enjoy your lunch and thank you so much.
Okay, just come back after 2 hours.
Okay, ma'am. I'll come back after 2 hours for cleaning and for change. And for your change, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.